Step 3 is connecting the gauge and fan for pressurization testing. We're showing you pressurization testing because it's the one in most common use. I don't necessarily recommend pressurization testing because it's better to depressurize because it holds the seal on the registers much better. But since most standards require pressurization, we're going to start with that. Doing depressurization is very easy, and we'll get to that later. So we already have the flux duct connected to the outlet of the fan. This is the inlet, so the air goes in, so this is the outlet, so this will pressurize the ducts. So we've got that piece already taken care of. So now we need some power. Power comes in this side. We take our power cord, plug it in, turn the switch on, and this light should light up indicating we have power going to the speed control that's built right into the fan. So let's just turn that around and take a look at this panel. This is the control panel. We'll just run through it here. At the bottom, we have connection ports for the flow measuring device that's built in. There's two tubes that activate the flow measuring device, a yellow and a green, so the yellow goes to yellow, and the green goes to green. Earlier, we already connected the yellow and the green to the gauge on the ports that are marked in a similar way. And then the next one is the speed control cord, but for the time being we're not going to use that. We're going to use that later. So for the first test we're simply going to run the manual control just so you can see how that works. The remaining tube that we have is a blue tube, and you'll notice that it's long. If you find that the tube on this is short, then the umbilical has been reversed, but there should be about 20 feet of blue tube. This is the one that goes into the supply register, and it can either be put into the supply register straight, or we can use the static pressure probe, which plugs into the end, and that could be put into the supply register as well, or the supply plenum.